Hi, lovelies. Welcome again to Abinasia's Recipes. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm sharing with you one of my kids' favorite creamy chicken pasta dish. It is so easy to make and delicious. I'll add salt to my water, allow it to boil, and then I'll add in my penne pasta. You can use spaghetti for this recipe as well. We'll boil this until it is al dente, and that should take about 10 minutes. So to my nicely cleaned chicken, I'll season with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. I also have here some Italian herb seasoning. I'll add chicken seasoning, salt, and then we'll drizzle some olive oil on this, and then we'll massage it very well. We want to make sure every part of the chicken breast has all the seasoning, guys. If you're new on this channel, hello there and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so. God bless you. So chicken is well seasoned. We'll go ahead and check on the pasta. It is perfectly cooked. I'll remove it from flame, strain the water, and then I'll add some butter to prevent it from sticking. You can also drizzle some olive oil as well. At this point, I'll melt some butter. You can use olive oil for this step as well. And then I'll come in with my nicely marinated chicken breast. We'll be cooking this 5 minutes on each side and then turn it over and cook the other side for 5 minutes as well. And when it was well done, I removed it and then set it on the side. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. God bless you for always coming back to watch my videos and also for commenting. Thank you so much. So into the same pan, I'll add in my minced garlic or chopped garlic. I'll allow it to fry for about a minute or 30 seconds is perfect. And then I'll add in my chopped onion. Now at this point, I'll allow the onion to fry for a good minute. And then I added in about 5 cups of heavy cream. You can use half and half and whole milk for this recipe, but you might have to add in some flour. So we'll allow this to boil for a good 5 minutes. And then I added in my Parmesan cheese. You can add in about half a cup to 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, but I started with half cup first. Gave it a stir and then added in paprika powder, some black pepper, and then Italian seasoning. I'll add in my chicken seasoning and then added in salt, but my camera didn't capture it. Now the Italian seasoning doesn't contain any salt, guys, so make sure you season your sauce very well. I allowed it to thicken up, and that took about, let's say, 3 to 5 minutes, and then added in my pasta. Gave it a mix, guys. You can add in mozzarella cheese or any type of cheese to this pasta. At this point, I'll add in my chicken breast that we pan fried earlier. I sliced it up and then added it to my pasta. My children loves this pasta anytime, any day, guys. I added in some spinach, to make it a little healthy. And then mixed it up nicely. This is very easy. You can make this, once in a while for your family to enjoy. I sprinkled some more Parmesan cheese on top and also garnished it with some parsley. Okay, it is necessary to garnish this pasta with some fresh parsley. I covered it for the cheese to melt. And in my household, we always enjoy our pasta with some garlic bread. But today I wanted to do something different. So I'm using naan bread. I'm going to make it into like a pizza form. So I have here my olive oil, and then I'll mince in some garlic, add in some Italian seasoning, and then mix it up nicely. I'll be spreading it on my naan bread. This is like an Indian naan bread. So I'll brush the olive oil mix on the bread and then spread on some mozzarella cheese. Okay, this is how the kids like it. They like everything cheesy. I also have here some Parmesan cheese that I'll add to it, and then I will season it with some black pepper. You can add pepper flakes as well, but black pepper is enough. And then drizzle the rest of the garlic olive oil mix onto the cheese, and then it went into the oven at 400 degrees for just about 5 to 7 minutes. The pasta is also done and ready to be served. Trust me, they were so happy when they came back from school and realized that I made their favorite, and it tastes absolutely delicious. I always enjoy this with them anyway. So once the naan bread came out, that was when everybody was back from school. I always try to make this close to when they're all coming back. And of course, I am serving myself, okay? And trust me, guys, this dish was so good. And I hope you give this a try. And if you do, kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Please kindly follow me on all social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, here on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or TikTok. And guys, I really appreciate your support and also for staying with me until this time. Please have a wonderful day and please stay blessed. Bye.